All right, y'all, we are thousands of miles away from any type of car wash that I'm familiar with. This is the Philippines. I'm just leaving a mall right now. Malls are a big thing out here. They're huge, but I wanted to see what self-serve car washes are like out here, and it's actually kind of hard to find them. There's not that many, and the ones that they do have are kind of just like for motorcycles only, but we're gonna go check them out. What they do have a lot of out here is car washes that are like full hand wash car washes, just because of the style of the culture out here is very service oriented. You go into a fast food joint or anything, you leave all your dishes on the table. You go anywhere and they're trying to help you with your bags or do whatever, and it's just to make a little bit extra. And there's just a lot of employees with any type of business here. But this is what's going on back here. Traffic is crazy. Let's jump in the van and head over to the first self-serve wash that I found. All right, let's go. Here is the van. We've been sporting around the Philippines. It's like a 1990s van or something. I don't know, but it's gonna do the job. It's been raining out here, and so we're a bit dirty. We got some glaze on there. So let's go get this off. It is blazing hot out here, guys. The phone actually overheated taking that video on the way here in the car being up front next to the windshield. But we picked a good day to do this. It's Fiesta here in this community, and we're at Zion's Car Wash. And we got the van in the bay, which is basically just the sidewalk here. They just use the sidewalk for everything. They also own a little grocery rice vending store as well next door. So they've got multiple things going on. All right, everybody, here's the setup. So this is what's going on. These take pesos. So in the Philippines, they use pesos. There's 5 pesos. Here's what we got. These are all 5 peso coins. Old style and new style. The old ones are the gold ones. 5 pesos is equal to just over 10 cents. And that's what these machines take. It's 5 peso coins. This is just water. So when you use water, you put in your money here. And when you want shampoo, put in your money here. So 2 settings on here. And then you've got hoses for each one. All right, so check out this setup here. This is the primary water pump for rinse on its own setup. I'm not sure. It's got like a standard electric motor and then some type of plunger pump, similar to like a cat pump. And then next to it, this is the main attraction. There's a little compressor in there and a few different things going on. Okay, it's in its own box to keep it secure, but there's that, and it's pulling in soap off of this 5-gallon jug here into a Y fitting where it's pulling water and then adding air with just that little guy back there. So let's jump on the other side of the wall and give this thing a test. All right, so I guess we actually only want to do 5. The water only needs 1 coin to start. And they said hold the hose before you start. So So 10 cents or 5 pesos gets you 2 minutes of water. So It's got good pressure though. Good enough to rinse it good. Oh, I guess you got an adjustment too here. You can go wider or narrower on that. Let me keep it narrow. All right. And then they've left me this little bucket here and a rag. I'm gonna fill up the bucket while I still got time on the timer. So this is the main attraction that we're all rinsed off. I've got, this is the shampoo nozzle, and they've taken like a piece of PVC type pipe and glued it in and heated it up and smashed it into like a little nozzle. So it's like a homemade nozzle. So instead of 5 pesos this time, we're gonna do 2. So we used our 10 cents for 2 minutes on the water. And now we're gonna do over here on the machine. Show the camera over here. Right here, yeah. On the machine, we're gonna do 2 coins this time. So you pay twice the price for the soap. All right. We're gonna drop 2 coins. We're on. Okay. There it goes. Oh. Soap it down. That's actually a really good consistency. Our 1-bay self-serve car wash. Although I think I've seen mostly, there's 2 motorcycles in here before I showed up. And I think that's mostly what they do is motorcycles and then tricycles, like the little sidecar taxis that they have. So, but check that out. You get 1 minute for basically 20 cents on the soap. I mean that's a rough conversion. That's in dollars. 20 cents US dollar, right? So soap it up. Let's see. Oh, I ran out of time. I'm gonna throw in 2 more coins. More 5 pesos. Okay. And we get another 60 seconds up there. Oh. Sorry, Kuya. It's so tight over here. The soap turned on and I sprayed the guy standing on the street. Alright. Got that bucket from earlier. This is the alternative to foam brush. Clean our glass up. Notice we're rocking the flip-flops out here. Get the bugs off. No tire cleaner at this car wash. You gotta use the elbow grease. Soap. Alright. Back to the water. Oh. I forget, it turns on pretty quick. So, rinse. Spot-free rinse. No, it's not actually spot-free. It's just the rinse water you saw in the brown bucket earlier. All right, so the owner happened to be here at the car wash. I'm here with Evelyn.
Yes.
Evelyn, where is your car wash at?
Here, 13 is Bernardo Avenue, 13th Street, Lacandula, Mabalacat, Pampanga.
Okay.
Clark.
That's a mouthful. Basically, the province of Pampanga, Clark, in the Philippines, Google Zion's Car Wash. I'll put it on the screen. Zion's Car Wash. You Google it, you'll find them. They're like the only self-serve car wash, she said, so far in this area. No?
It's only one.
Yeah, just this one so far. So she's the pioneer of the self-serve car wash in the Philippines.
No. Yes. The best.
It's good so far?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Gustong-gusto nila yan.
Yeah.
Kasi mura lang, 5 pesos.
5 pesos.
Makakarwas mo na lahat.
Yeah.
20 pesos, matatapos na yung isang.
Opo. So I enjoyed using the car wash here, and thank you.
Okay.
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 All right, guys. So that was a fun little experiment at this makeshift car wash here in the Philippines. This is about the best you get for self-serve stuff. I think some simple add-ons would be maybe like a brush, even if it's not like paid for. If it's the brush in a bucket, and I don't know, but they said that it works really good and it's popular, and they're like one of the only ones that have set it up so far. They've been here for 2 years. So, oh, let me show you the name real quick. Zions, Z-I-O-N-S. That's the name of it. So, cool little spot, fun experiment. Until next time, guys, our next video, I'll see you later.